Are you aware of the impact of excess sodium intake on heart health? Let's dive into the details. A recent study revealed that individuals with cardiovascular disease were consuming more than twice the advised amount of sodium per day, with 89% exceeding the recommended intake. The average daily sodium intake was 3,096 milligrams, far surpassing the recommended 1,500 milligrams. Cardiologist Jayne Morgan, Maryland, explained, "Sodium helps to balance the water in your body and supports the proper functioning of muscles and nerves." She emphasized the link between sodium and increased blood volume, leading to elevated blood pressure and a higher risk of heart disease. Excess sodium has long been associated with the hardening and stiffening of the arteries, as well as atherosclerosis, posing significant risks to heart health. It's crucial to be mindful of sodium intake to protect heart health. Stay informed and make informed choices for a healthier heart. Join us on a journey to better understand the impact of sodium on heart health and empower yourself with the knowledge to make informed decisions for a healthier, happier heart. Together, let's prioritize cardiovascular wellness and take proactive steps towards heart disease prevention.